Coffee lovers everywhere know that a good cup of coffee starts with the right brewing method. If you're looking for a simple yet effective way to make coffee, this Bodum 34-aughts Brazil French press coffee maker may just be the perfect solution. This classic French press, designed in the early 1980s, combines style, durability, and exceptional brewing ability, all at an affordable price. Whether you're a coffee connoisseur or just enjoy your morning cup, this French press is designed to bring out the full flavors and rich aroma of your brew, making it an indispensable tool in your kitchen. Why choose the Bodum Brazil French press coffee maker? With so many coffee makers on the market, why should you choose the Bodum Brazil French press? The answer lies in its simplicity and effectiveness. This French press provides the purest form of coffee brewing, hot water and ground coffee with no paper filters or capsules to interfere with the flavor. Let's dive into why the Bodum Brazil stands out from the crowd. 1. Superior coffee extraction. At the heart of the Bodum Brazil French press is its ability to deliver an incredibly rich and flavorful cup of coffee. The brewing process involves steeping coarsely ground coffee beans in hot water for just 4 minutes. During this time, the essential oils and aromas from the beans are fully extracted, delivering a cup of coffee with a robust, earthy taste. Unlike traditional drip coffee makers, French press doesn't use paper filters that can absorb some of these oils, which means you get the full spectrum of flavors in every sip. 2. Durable design. Durability is another major advantage of the Bodum Brazil French press. It features a carafe made from heat-resistant borosilicate glass, ensuring it can withstand high temperatures without altering the flavor of your coffee. This type of glass is not only strong, but it's also resistant to staining, ensuring that your French press will look as good as new for years to come. The body, handle, and lid are made from BPA-free plastic, which means they are safe to use and easy to clean. Plunger and filter are made from stainless steel, designed to last through years of brewing. 3. Eco-friendly and waste-free. If you're conscious about the environment, the Bodum Brazil French press is a great choice. It doesn't require paper filters or plastic coffee pods, which means less waste. Plus, the reusable filter means you won't have to continuously buy replacements like with other coffee makers. This not only saves you money, but also reduces your environmental footprint. By using a French press, you're contributing to a more sustainable coffee brewing process. Number 4. Easy to use and clean. One of the key benefits of the Bodum Brazil French press coffee maker is its simplicity. Brewing a perfect cup of coffee takes just a few easy steps. Add coarsely ground coffee, or in hot water, stir, let it steep for 4 minutes, then press down the plunger. It's a straightforward process that anyone can master, and the results are consistently impressive. Plus, all the parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Number 5. Affordable yet high quality. While some French presses can be quite pricey, the Bodum Brazil French press offers an affordable option without sacrificing quality. Its simple yet functional design ensures that you get the best coffee-making experience at a fraction of the cost. This French press is perfect for coffee lovers who want a high-quality brewing method without breaking the bank. Brewing tips for the best results. To make the most of your Bodum Brazil French press, here are a few tips. Use coarsely ground coffee. A French press works best with coarser grinds, as finer grounds can slip through the filter and leave sediment in your cup. Water temperature. For the best extraction, the water should be just off the boil between 195 to 205 degrees Fahrenheit. Boiling water can scorch the coffee and ruin the flavor. Brew time. Let your coffee steep for around 4 minutes. Any longer, and the coffee can become bitter. Is the Bodum Brazil French press right for you? If you're someone who appreciates a rich, full-bodied cup of coffee with minimal effort, the Bodum Brazil French press coffee maker is perfect for you. It's an ideal choice for those who value simplicity, quality, and an eco-friendly brewing method. The durable materials, ease of use, and excellent coffee extraction make it a top choice for coffee enthusiasts and beginners alike. Plus, the sleek, minimalistic design means it will look great in any kitchen. If you're still on the fence, consider this. French press coffee offers a unique, flavorful experience that other brewing methods simply can't replicate. Once you try it, you'll likely never go back to drip coffee or wasteful pods. The Bodum Brazil French press coffee maker is an affordable, durable, and effective way to elevate your coffee drinking experience. If you enjoyed this review, like the video, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.